In edit mode, scale a cylinder. Add 2 loop cuts in the middle. Then in the middle of these loop cuts, add a zillion cuts. Hold Alt-Shift and click on each row of faces. Alt-E and select Extrude along normals. Add 1 loop cut here. Add 1 loop cut here. Alt-E and select the same option again to extrude it this way. Add 1 loop cut here. Add 1 cut here and extrude these faces out. Add 2 loop cuts here and extrude the faces out. Ctrl B and bevel these faces. Select the top face and insert a new face. Extrude it down. Select these faces and bevel them. Right click on the cylinder and choose Shade Smooth. Go to Object Data Properties and then Normals. Check Auto Smooth. This will solve its shading problem. Add 1 loop cut here. Add 1 loop cut here. Rename the material as metal. Increase the metallic and decrease the roughness. Add a new material, black. Base color, completely black. In edit mode, select all the faces that you want to assign this black material to. Click Assign. Add a new material, copper, and assign it to some faces. Add a good metal roughness texture and connect it to the roughness slot for some realism. Add a new cylinder. This will be our blade. Rescale it. Replace the principal BSDF with the emission shader. Increase the strength. In the render properties, check bloom.